Hello kids! Let's learn some colors. Blue color, red color, green color, pink color, yellow color, orange color. Red, brown, black, orange, pink, blue, yellow. Let's write the alphabets. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F as for fish. G for grapes. H for horse. I for iguana. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit.
Amazing.
S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Number one. Number two. Number three. Number four. Number five. Number six. Number seven. Number eight. Number nine. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.